HackerOne All Hands 2021. This is Pandemic Schmandemic. 7 life lessons from hackers on how you can make 2021 the best year of your life. Let's get to it. Number 1 is put in the work. Nafi is going to explain to us exactly what that means.
Like if you dedicate the time, you'll get exactly where you want to be. If you don't dedicate the time, you won't achieve what you want to achieve in life. That's not just for hacking, that's like a metaphor for life itself.
Number 2 is never assume. We are the first ones building a hacker-powered security startup in a pandemic. Imposter syndrome isn't a thing because no one has ever done this before. Take it away, Casper.
Never assume anyone has looked at an application before. Just treat it like you were the first one to ever look at it, because you will find whatever anyone else missed.
Number 3 is talk to people. You know, hackers are so good on their own, diving deep into an application to really unpack the logic of it. But they're even better when they do it together and collaborate. Let's hear Rhino Raider talk about when in London, he was trying to dive into an application and learn more.
I was just telling the team, you know, when we get back to the hotel after a night of grabbing some drinks here, I'm going to take an extra pass on both of the new in-scope applications, just sort of with everyone around me for one, and sort of some new perspective and motivation for finding the bugs.
Number 4 is a simple yet elegant one, which is lift each other up. There is no good that can come when we tear each other down, when we speak negatively behind each other's backs, whether as coworkers, as friends, whatever it may be in life. Take this advice from Tom, literally lifting people up in London, 2019. Number 5 is get the help you need. You know, there's a scripture that talks about there's a season to be happy, there's a time and a season to be sad and to mourn. And guess what? In 2020, it was kind of a time for some of the sadder elements where we're really actually tapping into the core of who we are, what makes us tick, and really missing just elements of our life that we'd really love to have back. So the message is, no matter what time, whether in a pandemic or post-pandemic or in the best periods of your life, you need advisors. Get help when you need it. And I got further advice from Tom.
So I kind of burnt out late last year. At my last event, I think I was a bit quiet. I didn't do very well, didn't perform super well. And then I took a break for about 8 months or so. I just really needed it for my own sanity. Went to see my GP, went and cried to them. They gave me some antidepressants, which I think have helped. Definitely, you know, if you're in that sort of situation, go and see your doctor, go and talk to them. Highly recommend it.
Number 6 is enjoy the little things. That can be a simple matter of playing Beat Saber in between meetings. It can be a simple matter of enjoying a walk. Or maybe in Mark's case, having a Heineken.
I didn't realize it was 8:15 earlier on and I missed the Heineken. Got it.
Number 7 is follow your curiosity. Hackers are ones who creatively overcome limitations. You, by definition, are a hacker when you overcome limitations in your job and in your life. Take this encouragement and these words of advice. The future is hot. Go forth and prosper.
This doesn't only apply for InfoSec, but if you're curious for something, follow it, pursue it. Don't listen to what people are saying about you need to make your money, you need to do this. There's no point in making your money if you're not enjoying it. Follow your curiosity, pursue what you want to do. It's worth it, trust me.
So there you have it, the 7 life tips from hackers and how you can make 2021 the best year of your life. From Nafi to Tom Nom Nom to STÖK Frederick, who narrated almost every single one of these videos. And you check out his YouTube channel, check out the HackerOne YouTube channel. And our mission is to make the internet safer together. And without that word together, it's not as inspiring of a mission. We truly believe in the values that we live out, that we are going to be the best company in cybersecurity in the next decade. So go forth and prosper, make 2021 amazing. Message me if you're encouraged by this or if you want encouragement. I love you. Thank you, HackerOnies. See you soon. All Hands 2021, HackerOne family and friends. Can you be both? Number 7 is follow your curiosity. Hackers, so now you have the 7 tips from hackers and how you can make 2021 the best year of your life. Hearing from Tom Nom Nom,